Hi and welcome to Cloud Talks.
Hi.
What's your name and where'd you come from?
So I'm Nick Barron. I'm from Softcat and I'm our product manager for cloud services.
Fantastic. Tell us a little bit about Softcat.
So I think probably most people will know of Softcat, certainly in one vein. We're one of the top sort of UK resellers from that side. We do a whole plethora of IT related services. But more importantly, really, and why we're here today to talk is around what we're doing in cloud and where we're seeing the kind of market going, really.
Cool. So, I mean, obviously, as you stated, Softcat very much known for what they're known for. But in the cloud space specifically, how are you guys trying to be unique and differentiate yourself from the competition?
Yeah, so I mean, one of the key things is we believe the world's multi-cloud, right? Yes, we are a very large Microsoft reseller, but we don't believe that everything is going to end up in Azure. So we work with Amazon Web Services, we work with GCP, Google Cloud Platform, and we'll work with other cloud providers as they come along. And we really want to work with customers to put their environment or their infrastructure in the best possible place. And we think that that might be multiple clouds in some instances, and likewise that will be hybrid as well. We don't think everyone is going to lift everything they've got into the world, into the world of cloud. Netflix took 8 years to do it, and they really know what they're doing.
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, where do you see Softcat focusing for the rest of the year to drive that cloud business forward?
So for the rest of this year, we're really, back end of our financial year, this year, and obviously for the rest of this calendar year and into our next financial year, we're really focusing around Azure and AWS as being our sort of big two bets, I guess, from the cloud perspective. And we think it's really about helping customers understand why they might want to even go to the cloud. We get a lot of customers that are still resident, still slightly confused about it. So we want to be able to help them understand where they currently are, where they want to get to, and then whether that is Azure, Amazon Web Services, or some more hybrid on-prem option like Nutanix, etc.
Yeah. And last question, actually. So in the hybrid model, how are you finding that as a bridge and a sort of middle ground to get customers onto that cloud journey?
It's very interesting. I mean, I think it's evolving. There's an awful lot happening in the industry, and there's an awful lot of vendors putting a hybrid spin on everything they do. So I guess much like the sort of public cloud was a couple of years ago, there's still a lot of confusion in that hybrid space. And do you go down an Azure stack sort of route? Do you look at some of the VMware technologies, or do you look at a specific vendor stack, be that HPE or Nutanix? So I think there's a lot of choice, and again, it's trying to work with customers to understand where are you now, and a lot of people don't actually know, right? Where am I actually at the moment? What have I actually got, and where do I want to get to? Not at a technology level, but at a business level, and then from there we can fill in really the most appropriate, be that on-prem, be that in a data center, be that hybrid, be that public cloud.
Fantastic. Well, look, Nick, thank you very much for your time.
No worries.
And really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.